Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Qunol.com or Qunol Supplement brand. Is this good brand? You should take their supplements or not? Is this legit brand or it's just another waste of money brand? Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand, basically this is a very popular brand. Okay, and they are approx 19 years from now. It means you can imagine the time period. They have good you can say like review in this field, and you can see over here, like when you visit on amazon.com, you can see they have different kinds of supplements. They are very good in this field. Okay, and their ratings, you can see the rating you can like the really amazing rating they are you can like getting. Okay, so somewhere their product is really good, you can buy their product without any doubt, but the main thing is like only this one, like when you purchase product on their website, there is a option like subscribe and save. So please don't try to take any kind of subscription, otherwise you are going to face some problem if you are not a technical person, if you don't know how to handle and how to manage your subscriptions and all. So if you forget to cancel your subscription, if you don't need any product, so in this case you have to pay lots of fees in the form of subscription, because you want product or not, they will auto delivery product at your doorstep. And if you forget to cancel your subscription, if you want product or not, you have to take the supplement. Okay, so this is the another you can like waste of money, you can like problem for you. So that's why I'm telling you, don't try to take any kind of subscription. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.